Here we're going to look through problems 3 through 8, again problems that I created just for some additional practice. Again, I would be pausing the video, trying the two problems that are on the screen, and then play the video to check your work. Go ahead and try this one, and I will do it in a second. Alright, we have 64x equals 8 to the x minus 3. What we want to do is get a common base here. So, common base should be 8. I'm going to turn this one into 8 to the 2x, because 64 is 8 squared. We're multiplying exponents when we have exponent to an exponent. Equals 8 to the x minus 3, and then we can just say 2x equals x minus 3. Subtract x from both sides, we get x equals negative 3. Next one, we have 1/3 to the x equals 27 to the x plus 3. Again, want to get a common base. Common base here should be 3. So this is going to be 3 to the negative x equals 3 to the 3, and then we're going to have to distribute that. It's going to be 3 times x plus 3. It's going to be 3 to the negative x equals 3 to the 3x plus 9. And opposite of x will equal 3x plus 9. So 4x will equal negative 9. X will equal negative 9 over 4. Next two problems. Again, try these on your own first. Remember, anytime we have a number out in front, we can make it an exponent. So this is actually going to turn into log base 3 of 4 squared plus log base 3 of 16 to the 1/2 equals log base 3 of x. That would be log base 3 of 16 plus log base 3 of 4 equals log base 3 of x. Now when I'm adding two logs with a common base, we can change that into multiplication. So log base 3 of 16 times 4 will equal log base 3 of x. So we will get 64 equals x. And again, you can skip some of these steps if you want. You don't have to put all of them. Next one, number 4. Same thing. Anytime we have that number in front, we can make an exponent. So this one will turn into log base 2 of 2 cubed minus log base 2 of x should equal log base 2 of 4 squared. That will give us log base 2 of 8 minus log base 2 of x should equal log base 2 of 16. And when we are subtracting common logs, that turns into dividing if we can combine them. So it would be 8 over x will equal 16. We are then going to get 8 over 16 should equal x. So x will equal 1/2. Next two. What we want to do here is put our log into exponential form. So it's going to turn into x squared equals 49. So x will equal plus or minus 7. We cannot have a negative base though, so 7 is the one that we want. Number 6. We can do this one exponential form if we would like. So we can change this to 2 to the x equals 8, which would be 2 to the x equals 2 to the 3rd. So x will equal 3. We can also just do this one in our calculator. We could say log 8 divided by log 2. And we're still going to get 3 is our answer. Alright, last two, 7 and 8. Again, trying these on your own first. I'm just going to subtract 4 from both sides. We should get 3e to the 2x equals 6. And divide by 3. We get e to the 2x equals 2. Now if we have e to a power, and that power has an x or some variable in it, we want to take the natural log of both sides. So this is going to turn into 2x on the left equals the natural log of 2. Divide both sides by 2. We get x equals 0.3466. And the directions on the test should tell you what to round to. Number 8. Anytime we have any other number besides e to a power of x or some variable, we're going to take the log of both sides. Taking the log of both sides here. Exponent should come down in front. And this one you could do a couple different ways. You can just divide by log 8 first, and then subtract 2. Or you can distribute your log 8. I'm going to divide by log 8. That will give us x plus 2 equals log 12 divided by log 8. We will then want to subtract 2 from both sides. And typing that in our calculator, we should get an answer of negative 0.8050.